Ever stare into your fridge on a Saturday morning and think, eggs, milk, flour, I want magic, not just pancakes? What if I told you that with those exact ingredients in one pan in about 20 minutes, you could make this? That, my friends, is a Dutch Baby, a giant, puffy, crispy-edged, custardy-centered oven pancake, and it's about to become your brunch secret weapon. Now, the name's a little funny. It's not actually from the Netherlands. Its great-great-grandparent is the German Pfannkuchen. But the story goes that in a Seattle cafe back in the 1900s, the owner's daughter couldn't quite say Deutsch, which means German, and it came out as Dutch. The name and the legend stuck, and thank goodness it did. Ready to make your own edible cloud? Let's go! Step 1. The hot pan setup. This is non-negotiable. Take your trusty 8-inch cast iron skillet, yes, the one that weighs a ton, and put it right on the middle rack of your cold oven. Then turn the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and walk away. We need that pan to get screaming hot with the oven. This is the entire secret to the big puff. Promise. Step 2. The 30-second batter. While that heats, let's make the easiest batter of your life. Grab your blender, toss in a half cup of room temperature milk, a half cup of all-purpose flour, 3 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Blend it on high for about 30 seconds until it's smoother than a jazz playlist. See? No lumps. Just pour it into a pitcher or let it hang out in the blender jar. The batter gets to relax while our pan gets angry hot. Perfect. Step 3. The butter sizzle and pour. The magic moment. Okay. Oven's beeped. This is go time. Put on your oven mitts. Seriously, the handle is a trap. Open the door, pull the rack out. You'll see your fiercely hot skillet. Drop in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Listen to that. It'll melt and foam in seconds. Swirl it around to coat the bottom. Now take your batter and pour it right into the center of that buttery heaven. Don't stir, don't swirl. Just close the oven door. And now we walk away. For a full 18 minutes, do not peek. I know it's hard, but we're letting steam and hot iron work their science magic. Peeking lets the steam out and the magic down. Step 4. The grand reveal and the flourish. After 18 minutes, you can check. It should be gloriously puffed with deep, golden brown, crispy edges. If the center looks a little wet, give it 2 more minutes, then mitts on. Bring it to the world. Behold your edible golden crown. It will start to deflate almost immediately. That's totally normal and part of the drama. Now, for the flourish, a huge, snowy dusting of powdered sugar right over the whole skillet. Then slice it into wedges right in the pan. Top it with a mountain of fresh berries, a drizzle of maple syrup, or even a squeeze of lemon. That's it. 7 ingredients, 1 pan, 0 fancy skills. You've just made a breakfast that looks like it came from a fancy bakery, but you know it's secret, humble, buttery history. So, did you make it? Tag me in your puffy masterpieces. And if you loved this bite of history and batter, subscribe for more. Up next, we're tackling the fluffiest soufflé pancakes you've ever seen. Now go on. Be the brunch hero you were always meant to be.